Okay, so this is one of my best files, and I made my house halfway through a waterfall, and this is the way to get up. There's two entrances, one on the back gate, one on this waterfall. So now we make it to the top, and this waterfall goes up into a cave up there. I'm going to show you it later. And it connects to a different waterfall that goes down. Here's an iron door that I made. There's a stone button so no one can see. Netherrack from the nether portal. Glowstone from the nether portal. Here a brewing stand. Nothing in it yet. Made some fire potions. And anyway, here we have, well, basically our whole house. We have bookshelves, crafting table, furnaces, enchantment tables. It's a texture pack, so you might not know what they are. Flower pot. Yeah. There's a tree. Now inside here are my chest, stuff in it. More stuff. Yeah. Here's the guest chest. They're able to get anything they want. Furnaces. Okay, so here I'm going to the nether. Wrong way! No. This is the wrong way. So I made these nether brick stairs. So if any of you do not know what nether fortress is, this is what it is. Doesn't look the same since this has a texture pack. So yeah. Are those blazes? No. Wither skellies? Wither skeleton! Ah! I'm gonna die. Oh no. No, I died. I want to get my stuff back. I'm getting my stuff. Wait, I have no armor? What? I'm going to get my stuff back. Yeah. I'm going to kill you with a skeleton. I'm going to kill you. Boom. Ah, no. Wither, I got wither. I'm gonna die. Yes. Come on. No, I died. This time I'm gonna get my stuff back. Luckily, hopefully, none of it fell in the lava. Okay, so back down. This time I'm gonna kill that wither skeleton. I'm going to kill you. Yeah, boom. Boom. Yeah, I killed him. I killed the wither skeleton. Am I gonna die? My stuff. Yes, all my stuff. Okay, now my sword, just in case of another mob. Hey, I got no armor. Darn it. Well, that's what the nether fortress is. So, we're going back to the real world. Faster! Up the stairs. Stairs are faster. Into the nether fortress. Okay, so we're back here. Now let's go. I have infinite water source by putting 2 buckets of water in the corners. Here, like I was telling you about, the waterfall. It doesn't really connect, but it's really close, and you're able to get up from this entrance. Like this. And at the top there's a cave. And in the cave there's two entrances. This way and the other way where I first started. cave is right here. Come on. Okay. Ah, creeper, creeper, creeper! No, die! Ah! No, it blew up. No. Where's my diamond sword? No, where's my diamond pickaxe? There. Well, it connects there. Well, it doesn't really connect, but that's one way. That's the way that it goes. Then there's the way where I first started in the corner. Right through this way. It's a little dark. Well, that's the water that we first started in. See? Yep, that's the water we first started in. Well, that's it. I hope you liked it.